The birds aren't real theory. This is a theory that was apparently came up with in 2017 or 2018, both of which that you'll see in these next two bullshit little clips or whatever. But one is through a Wikipedia source, and one is through the guy who claims that he started the movement. I guess it's a movement, but both of them claim that it's satirical, which essentially means they're jokes. So I'm here to say that these two are fucking joke thieves, because they're basically stealing from a popular, at the time, web series that came about from a sketch comedy show. So Krollshow was a show that came out between like 2013 and 2015, but two of their breakout characters from Oh Hello went on to do a web series after the fact in 2016, where their clip will come towards the end of the video. But it was a popular series, it was a popular show. They were popular characters that went on to do a Broadway show, just based on the two characters of Oh Hello. But I'm here to tell you that just this little bullshit throwaway line that's in this little part of the clip from Oh Hello is what probably branched off the internet into making this whole conspiracy theory. But these two that are claiming that it's theirs, it's one thing to say that it's your theory, but if you're like saying it's a joke, then give credit to the people that you stole the joke from, because it's a fucking basically a Krollshow joke. That's all I gotta say. Here's the shit.
I have been playing a character for the past 5 years who believes that every bird is a surveillance drone and who's part of a larger movement called the Birds Aren't Real movement. I've been basically representing the movement, never leaving character, even in like behind the scenes conversations with journalists or anything. So this is new, a new experience for me. Birds Aren't Real started by accident in 2017. I'd always thought it would be funny, like just like a funny skit.
How's he good?
You know, he knows some real fucked up 9/11 websites.
Really?
I just emailed him to you.
Oh.
Ozzy's one of the great skeptics.
Yeah, did you know birds aren't real?
No, I had no idea.
You're drinking the Kool-Aid.